Everybody deserves a safe place to call home, but in many areas of the world, this security is a luxury that few can afford. Malawi is a small country located in Southeast Africa with an economy based on subsistence farming and exporting tobacco. Over half of Malawians live on less than 50 cents per day, placing the nation among the poorest in the world. The majority of the rapidly growing population resides in slums, defined as residential areas with poor or unstable housing conditions, poor sanitation, or overcrowding. Malawian homes are often constructed of mud and iron roofs. Many are considered temporary homes, despite the fact that residents rarely have intentions or the ability to relocate. These substandard homes leave Malawians especially susceptible to diseases from insects and poor sanitation, extreme heat and weather condition, increased violence within homes and communities, lack of indoor lighting, and dangerously bad indoor air quality. In many ways, inadequate homes prevent Malawians from escaping the cycle of poverty. When we learn about a housing crisis like the one in Malawi, it is often our instinct to try to step in and solve the issue with new and expensive technology. We've seen this happen with tools like 3D printing and complicated sanitation systems, which often fail after short periods of time when implemented in the developing world. The issue with this approach is that it ignores the current practices of the community in question. People lose their cultural connections to their homes and are not interested in technology that completely does away with their current lifestyle, or that they don't fully understand. Attempting to solve a housing crisis in this way often cuts local experts, like brickmakers, out of the equation. These types of reactions to housing crises address only a side effect of the poverty in the short term, but deepen the foundational source of a nation's poverty. Biomimicry, mimicking the systems found in nature, takes advantage of thousands of years of evolution to utilize the most effective and efficient methods of achieving comfortable indoor temperatures and protection from the elements. Utilizing passive design strategies that require no input of energy reduce the costs associated with the construction and maintenance of dwellings. Many biomimetic and bio-inspired dwelling designs and technologies exist and can be utilized together to create dwellings with the greatest possible positive impact on human well-being and on the environment. Designating funding towards sustainably improving housing in Malawi will positively influence many other areas of need for the region, including public health, safety, and quality of life for Malawians. Improved housing is a critical component of the country escaping the cycle of poverty, and should be considered a top priority for organizations hoping to improve quality of life for Malawians and to create a more sustainable future.